Hey you guys, it's me. I'm going to be singing Don't Rain on My Parade in this video today because it's raining outside and it's a very appropriate song for the day. So I hope that everyone enjoys. Here we go.
Don't tell me not to live, just sit and purr. Life's candy and the sun's a ball of fur. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. Don't tell me not to fly, I simply got to. If someone takes a spill, it's me and not you. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade? How much of my band out? How beat my drum? And if I stand out, your turn at that, sir. At least I didn't fake it, hat, sir. I guess I didn't make it, but whether on the rose of sheer perfection, or freckle on the nose of life's complexion, the cinder or the shiny apple of its eye, I gotta fly once, I gotta try once, only can die once, right, sir? Life is juicy, and you see I gotta have my bite, sir. Get ready for me, love, cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march, my heart's a drummer. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. I'm gonna live and live now. Get what I want, I know how. One roll for the whole shebang. One throw that bell will go clang. Eye on the target and wham. One shot, one gunshot and bam! Hey, Mr. Einstein, here I am. I'll march my band out. I'll beat my drum. And if I'm fanned out, your turn at bat, sir. At least I didn't fake it, hat, sir. Guess I didn't make it. Get ready for me, love, cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march, my heart's a drummer, no. Nobody don't know. Nobody is gonna rain on my parade.
Thanks you guys. That was another video today. Everyone hit the like buttons, and I would like for, there's a bug. Like everyone to comment and post what you would like me to sing next. That would be great. I will get to everyone. I will respond to everyone. I will make as many videos as you guys want of every song you guys choose. Thank you, and comment and like it up and